Hello. How to incorporate word by word subtitles in your video with the help of CapCut. I was making my tutorial on Midjourney and I had the idea that I should tell you that how to incorporate word by word subtitles in your video with the help of CapCut. I am using it with PC. So, first of all, you will generate auto captions just like this, and you will hit the create button. After that, when the subtitles has been created, you will select all the subtitles here like this, and you will hit you will come to caption or text title. Normally it's text, but you will click on the caption button, and here is the real magic. Now click on every word and hit enter. How are you? Like this. Separate each word on single line. It will take almost 2 to 3 minutes on each 5 minutes video, but it will increase your productivity, it will increase your engagement a lot. So I have done it. Here is the subtitle, and you have to separate each word on each line independently, and it will increase your engagement a lot. You can use one word or two word, 2 to 3 words are recommended, but for give you a demonstration, I am separating each. So let's see the result. I'm curious about creating okay, so this is the end. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, please hit the like button. Do comment if you want more, or if you need anything else. Please subscribe my channel, and see you in the next video. Till then, goodbye.